Begin with a developing story as you wake up, and it is the search for baby Gabriel. It's a story we've been following for 2 years for you now, and in about 4 hours, a key player appears in court. First, let's get you caught up on this case. Gabriel Johnson was a 7-month-old baby boy when he went missing December 27th of 2009. 3 days later, his mother, Elizabeth Johnson, was arrested and said that she gave her son away to a couple in Texas. On the 5th of January, we learned the car she drove from Tempe to Texas was found outside a motel. And 2 days later, a Scottsdale couple, Jack and Tammi Smith, who wanted to adopt Gabriel, are named persons of interest. On January 26th, Elizabeth Johnson pleads not guilty to kidnapping and child abuse. And on February 2nd of 2009, Tammi Smith is arrested for custodial interference. Now, this morning, that trial for Smith begins. ABC 15's Brian McElhatton following all the developments from our newsroom this morning. And Brian, she's accused of helping the mother escape to Texas.
That's right, Connie. Good morning to you. This story has a lot of twists and turns. We're going to straighten it out for you and bring you up to speed, because in just hours, this woman, Tammi Smith, will enter a courtroom. She's an alleged conspirator in this whole Baby Gabriel story. She's accused of conspiring with Elizabeth Johnson, baby's mother, to wrangle custody of baby Gabriel from his father. In fact, she's charged with forgery and conspiracy to commit custodial interference. Trial on those charges begins this morning. Now I want to show you baby Gabriel's mother, Elizabeth Johnson. You probably recognize her. She's in jail right now, awaiting her trial, accused of kidnapping, child abuse, and custodial interference. And we just learned a statement she reportedly made to a detective in which she admitted to killing baby Gabriel will not be heard by jurors, as the questioning was deemed unconstitutional. And finally, the third character in the story is the baby's father, Logan McQueary. He may testify during Tammi Smith's trial. Now, he doesn't face any charges in relation to the disappearance of his son, but he was in court yesterday on a separate matter. He pled guilty to theft and was sentenced to a year of probation. So now that you're up to date on the story, we should tell you that Tammi Smith, her trial will begin at 10:30, and we will be there every step of the way, Connie, to bring you the latest in this saga that has just played out over the past 2 years.
Yeah, it's been a long one, and this story has also gained national headlines. Court TV will be broadcasting the trial on its cable channel as well. Brian, thank you for your coverage. We appreciate it. Again, we will be at today's trial. As Brian said, for Tammi Smith, you can count on us for all the developments in the Baby Gabriel case and our continuing coverage here on ABC 15 and ABC15.com.